Katie Stone, and I'm the Chief Operations Officer at PixelSpoke. And today I'm going to show you how to bypass a speed bump. Let's get started. So first of all, what is a speed bump? Well, you might be navigating through a site, and then you click on a link, only to have a message like this pop up. And that's a speed bump. But sometimes credit unions might want to bypass these. For instance, if you're linking off to your own media or your own YouTube channel. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So the first thing you'll do is navigate to the WordPress admin area. From here, you'll scroll down and click on Site Settings. On this page, you'll see several sections, including a speed bump section. This area here shows you the message that visitors to your site will receive when they click on a link that has a speed bump. Down below, you can add speed bumps to bypass. So we'll do that today by clicking first of all on Add URL. We'll add the URL that we want to bypass here, and then scroll back up to the top and click on Update. Now when we go back to the website, I'm going to refresh and click on the link, you'll see the bypass is gone. And that is how you bypass a speed bump. Thanks so much for watching.